Okay, so good morning everyone and assalamualaikum. I will be discussing again the concept of demand and supply curve. Please bear with me and I'm sorry kasi ganito yung boses ko because I've been not feeling well for these past few days. However, I'm going to discuss this because hindi lahat sa inyo is na contextualize yung chat ko about the new accurate discussion about demand and supply curve. Okay? May konting itutuwid lang tayo because last meeting with my Ibn Umar section, napansin namin na may something is wrong with the demand and supply curve, okay? Ito lang yung pagka-arrange ng X and Y axis. But the rest of the discussion is accurate naman yun siya, as is yun siya. Okay. So last meeting, yung binigay kong reference was actually this one. And this reference, kung makikita ninyo yung arrangement ng pricing axis or the y-axis is from bigger number to the lowest number. Okay? So meaning to say 100. Meron tayong, ayan siya, the 100, the 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60. Ayan, sa may pricing per cup. So sa pricing or yung tinatawag natin na y-axis, yung sa previous natin na reference is nag-start tayo sa pinakamalaking number, right? Then pa-decrease siya ng pa-decrease. Sa quantity demand naman is from the smallest number to the highest number. Yung sa quantity demand at saka sa supply demand, as is yun siya. It's correct, okay? Yung sa x-axis natin, kung saan nag-start yung numbers from smallest or lowest quantity demanded to the highest quantity demanded or the highest number. However, yung sa pricing per cup natin, nag-start siya from the highest price to the lowest price, which is yun yung mali. Okay? Yun yung nakita namin mali. So today, we're going to correct the arrangement of the y-axis, also known as the pricing cup. So here, you can see in your screen the demand curve, okay? So we have here the axis arrangement. Ito yung i-correct natin from the previous reference na hindi siya masyadong accurate, okay? Here in your screen, yung y-axis natin, which is the price, should be arranged from low at the bottom, meaning to say sa pinakababa, ayan siya yung 60, papunta sa high at the top, okay? So meaning to say, yung given sa demand schedule ng price should be arranged in the y-axis sa pricing, okay, from the lowest at the bottom sa pinakababa, yung pinakamaliit na number or pinakamababang presyo, ilalagay natin siya from the pinaka-bottom. Makikita nyo 60, we have the 70, the 80, 90, and the 100, okay? For the quantity demand, okay, as is pa rin siya, ganun pa din, from the lowest, okay, quantity demanded, if you could see there, the x-axis, which is the horizontal, or the quantity demanded, arranged also from the low at the left to high at the right. So, pataas siya ng pataas, okay? So, ito lang naman yung bago or yung itutuwid natin from our previous discussion, which is lalabas ito sa first day ng exam ninyo. So, again, sa pricing na linya, which is the y-axis, the vertical line, from the bottom, sa pinakababa, you have to arrange 60, the lowest price or the lowest number at the bottom, going up or at the top, yung pinaka-highest na price. So you have to, from lowest to highest na arrangement. For the quantity demanded, as is pa din siya from 50, 70, 95, 120, and 150. So meaning to say you have to arrange it in accordance to its level from 50 to 150 na quantity demanded. So for example, we have here the multi demanded schedule. We have here the pricing table in the quantity demanded table. Okay? So sa presyong 100 pesos, ang quantity demanded is 50. Sa presyong 90, we have 70. 80, we have 95. 70, 120, 60, 150. So the plotting will be, okay, the first point will be 50 and 100. Since ang magka-partner is yung 100 at yung 50. Okay, naintindihan? So meaning to say, we have to arrange our y-axis from the lowest to highest, from the bottom to the top. And of course, we have the quantity demanded from the lowest as well to the highest. So ito ang itsura ng demand curve, okay? So yung price, if you can see, it's arranged from the bottom, the lowest to the highest. The quantity demanded from the lowest to the right, papunta sa right, okay? So we have lowest to highest. Now, in the plotting point, okay, sa moment na magpa-plot kayo, please take note. Ayan, pakibasa sa screen, may note ako dyan, that the arrangement of the plot should be X followed by Y for plotting. Ayan. So if you could see, nauna ang 50 bago yung 100 kasi nauna yung X axis, comma, the Y axis, yung partner niya. So yan yung gagawin niyo during the exam, okay? Again, the format will be, the labeling of plot will be X and Y. Excuse me. For the supply curve, ganun pa din siya. Excuse me. Sa price, lowest from the bottom, highest din sa yes, sa supply curve, ganun pa din. Yung arrangement natin sa demand curve, ganun pa din siya. So, meaning to say, yung y-axis natin, again, y-axis is the price, still, low at the bottom, high at the top, in arrangement din siya. In order, from lowest to highest. Mag-start kayo sa pinakababa. For the x-axis, yung horizontal or the quantity supply natin, ganun pa rin. 50, 70, 95, 120 to 150. So meaning to say, from low at the left, going to the right, it's getting higher. Okay? So here we have the sample. So the graph looks like this using the milk tea supply example. We have the pricing table in the quantity supply table. This is what we call as the supply schedule. So if you could see, we arrange them. Okay, here is the given. We're going to arrange the given in the axis, the y and the x axis, the pricing and the quantity from the lowest, the 60, kasi yung 60 yung pinakamababa. So dito sa bottom, isusulat niyo yung 60 going higher, papunta sa top, which is the highest. Okay? So in order yan siya. The same with the quantity supply, 50, 70, 95, 120, 150. So again, note natin dito, yung arrangement ng plotting point should be X and Y for plotting level. So you follow the format, okay? So thank you so much. I hope naituwid natin yung previous discussion natin kung saan may konting kamalian lang regarding the arrangement of pricing. So far, pricing lang naman yung nagkamali because of my previous reference that I give to you, okay? So, pamanginin na kanutwarila. However, again, if you have any clarification, do not hesitate to raise it kasi possible, okay, hindi porket teacher kami, hindi kami nagkakamali. Alright? So, we are still a human being, so we encounter some mistakes. Alhamdulillah, nagawa pa rin natin siyang itama at ituwid. So, good luck on your exam. Bitawfiq, may Allah help you all and allow you to pass the examination. Okay, so thank you so much.